Hi everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video to do a mail call, which is actually a stash update. I had ordered a small kit from Masterbox in the Ukraine back on September 17th, and I just received this package here on October 25th. And as you can see, it came from Kiev in the Ukraine. And what I did, and they actually included this little package of candies, I guess, here. And what I ordered was a 3-pack with 3 figures. I have this one before, Mechanic, and I was looking for this one. So I got a good deal on these, the 3 of them. They collapsed the box, I guess, to fit in the envelope because there's not much to it. Let's pull that out here. There's just the figures. There's the 3 figures. And I know from experience, I've done 2 or 3 of these already, they fit together very well, and they're a lot of fun to paint. So I got that, and then it came with this little brochure here, pamphlet, Mr. Packy. I'm from the Ukraine, I'll tell you my story. A little cartoon pamphlet about the packages being shipped overseas. It's kind of fun. So it's good to see that things are still moving around over there. Hopefully they're doing well. So that's my new stash update. Probably what will happen is these will go in to the stocking under the tree for Christmas. That'll be one of my Christmas presents from Anne. So for these kits, I ordered them off of Amazon Canada, but it went through the same company, and the card came here with the package, the plasticmodelsstore.com in the Ukraine. So you can go read on their website, or probably find it through Amazon. That's the people that you would contact. They have quite a selection of model kits in mostly military and 1/35 scale and 1/24 scale. So if you're interested, you can check them out. And I'll put a link to their website in the comment section below if you want to check it out through there. Here's a quick sneak peek at what's coming up next. Stay tuned for the update.